Hey guys, it's Scott with Mayhem RC, and just want to make a quick video for you guys this morning to show you my new project. It is the Losi Rock Rey Kit version, and I picked this up for a great price. If you guys are interested in any kind of rock racer or what I'm going to do with this, they just lowered the price on this to $249. So literally, now of course it doesn't come with electronics, but it does come with everything else. Clear body, and you just have to put your own electronics in it, which is it's a good thing, because I am building a purpose-built crawler. That's all it's going to be. It's not going to be a fast rig. It's not going to be for bashing. It's not going to be for any of that, what the Rock Rey normally is. It's just going to be just for extreme crawling, rock crawling. It's what the reason I chose this vehicle is because it has a very low center of gravity, with the battery and everything being in the very bottom of the vehicle, and the tires being as big as they are. Look at these tires, guys. They are massive. They're awesome. They're really soft compound. And let's see, put it up next to my 1/8 scale Founder. Those are normal 2.2s. As you can see, they they dwarf those. So this should be an amazing rig for crawling. And I know you guys are like, wait a minute, it's got independent front suspension. Yep, it does. It's got a center diff. Yep, it does. And those are going to be locked with the Vitera locker. So I've already started the kit just a little bit. Just wanted to see how it goes together. Never put together a Losi before, and man, it goes together like a dream. It really does. And I put that together in about, I don't know, 30 minutes, just playing around, taking my time. I'm just going to really enjoy this kit. And that's about as far as I'm going to get on it, because I've got a ton of upgrades coming. They're on the way. Pretty powerful servo, which, you know, I have to provide myself anyway. Gonna go with the Exotech front gearbox. It's all aluminum cast, because the Losi Rock Rey has a problem with the plastic one only has one screw that holds it together in the front, and it tends to wear out all the gears inside. So it's definitely isn't upgraded as needed. A few other upgrades. Got a chassis protector coming, aluminum steering rack, aluminum camber support. What else was there? I've ordered so much stuff I forgot. The aluminum third member. So see, this one's not even really put all the way in. As you can see, the screws aren't not even there. That third member and that bearing's a little small, has a tendency to blow out. So the hot racing aluminum third member comes with oversized bearings, and we'll keep that from happening as well. And the SS, or you can, and as far as the front gearbox, you can go SSD or Exotech. I have an Exotech chassis on my Axial Yeti, and it was just a beautiful piece, so I just decided to go with Exotech. A friend of mine who will show his videos soon enough, not going to say, he's building a crawler as well, and he went with SSD. So they're both very good companies, very nice machine pieces, and they also come with the oversized bearings inside of those, so that we don't have that front diff blowing out. Like I said, we're going to lock the front diff and the center diff with the Vitera locker. So this will be slow 10-tooth pinion gear Went with a X-Run SCT Pro brushless censored speed control, so that'll be really good. And also an 1800 kV Hobby Star motor. Let me open this up here so you guys can see it. So yeah, 1800 kV. This should give it plenty of low end torque and keep it crawling up those little mountains. Anyway, guys, just wanted to share this with you this morning. Not going to make this video long, but I love the way this kit looks. I love the way it goes together so far. Losi did a great job with that, and just give you a little couple of views of what it looks like together. But I'm excited, so I'll be sharing with you guys along the way. I don't know if you'd really call this a build series. I'm not going to do a lot of wrenching on camera, but I will show you videos step by step and let you guys see it from time to time. And then when it's all together and it's all said and done, definitely when we see just how well it does with crawling, let you guys know about that. Hope you have a great weekend. Get out there and enjoy the 4th of July with some RC mayhem. And until next time, guys, y'all take care.